Excel is a wide ocean in itself. You can accomplish way too much using Excel. You can design a simple CRM application. You can analyze stock performances. So it is vital that we stay focused and learn things that will be most relevant to our daily activities in our jobs. This course has been designed in a bottom-up approach to address scenarios that you will encounter frequently. I'm trying to inculcate things that I've used on regular basis in last 11 years so that we address everything which is used often in the business analysis. So who should pursue this course? If you associate yourself as a student, data analyst, business analyst, project manager, tester or QA specialist, or anyone who deals with data on a regular basis, this course is designed for you. Data and business analysis using Excel will be divided into 4 courses. In the first course, we will start with basics of Excel, where we will familiarize ourselves with the Excel structure, formulas, formatting options, and much more. In the second course, we will learn about data analysis using pivot tables, Power Pivot, Power Query, and basic charts. From there, we will move towards making dashboards and report creation. In this section, we will create a few real-world dashboards, and finally, we will learn modeling in Excel, and we will also build some simple linear regression models in Excel. We will not discuss any macros or VBA code in these courses. So if you are specifically interested in learning macros or VBAs, this will not be the right course for you. Also, if you are looking for an MIS job in Excel, this course will be a good start for you, but you will need to learn a few more things in detail. We will discuss a ton of use cases and we will solve a lot of practice exercises as we proceed. I'm really excited to start with this series. I hope you will pursue with me till the very end.